It took a long time for Watercool to come up with a new radiator series, and we're eager to look at it, the HEATKILLER Rad 360. So here we go. This is a white version. I really like the white one, but it's also available in black. So the HEATKILLER is an amazing radiator because it is such a satisfying look. The quality is really good. It has this nice HEATKILLER logo implemented on both sides. It's really matching upside down, so if you mount it in the top of your computer case, it looks good. We have stainless steel end caps here. We have two G14 threads. It looks good, it feels good. There's no way to hurt your skin, like everything is round, soft, it's good feeling, and it has a great cooling performance. It has 13 cooling channels and FPI 16. So this is ideal radiator for low fan, like 1000 to 1200, and it will give you great cooling performance here. And if you want, you could unmount the radiator. This is what we're going to do next, and take a look at the inside. And of course, I think you can just paint it with your own color if you would like to. So let's see how this goes. So this is like a little complicated. It's stuck, although there are no screws here. It's somehow stuck. Maybe it's glued. I don't know. What happens if I remove this one? Okay, this is like easily to move, but I cannot remove this one. I don't know what they did, but I don't want to destroy the radiator, but it seems like you cannot remove the side panel as it is with other radiators. So this is stuck, and now some other things happened, because now where the screw goes in, this is moved. It seems that there's like a little metal. So I will need to unmount this radiator at any cost. Oh, here we go. It was just a little more pressure needed, and they have it's really hard. They have like a second metal plate here. I don't know why is this so hard to remove. Okay, here we go. So if you do this at home, make sure you don't destroy the radiator, and then you can disassemble the end cap. I don't know how they did it. It's clamped here. You must move it into this direction, but then the space is missing for getting over this threads here. However, let's keep it like that. If you do that at home, you could now change the color. So this radiator definitely has some modding options available. You can choose by the different colors when you purchase it, and then if you want, you can unmount it and do some crazy stuff with this. Good luck with the HEATKILLER radiator from Watercool.